Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a power door lock switch. We're going to do the driver's side front, pretty much the same procedure for all of them. Tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, a door panel or the window crank removal tool, or as you'll see, we use a paper clip, and we actually remove the door panel to do this switch. That's the best way to do it, otherwise you risk damaging your door panel by prying. So that's how we recommend, although you could do it without removing the door panel.
Remove the Phillips head screw in the triangular plate above the door panel by the mirror. There are 6 screws that hold the door panel on. Those are Phillips head, 1 there, 2 there in the pull handle area, and then 3 along the bottom. I'll go ahead and fast forward as I take those 6 screws out. The next step is taking the window crank handle off. It can be a little tricky, so I wanted to just show the clip that holds it onto the door is that brass clip there. I'm using a little paper clip with a bend, maybe an 1/8 of an inch right angle bend on the end, and you're going to hook it through that clip and pull the clip out, therefore releasing it from the window regulator. And you'll see in just 1 second how it pulls out. Found the best way to get access to that clip is by pushing in with one hand. I've got my left thumb there pushing around that door panel, pushing it in so that I can get access to that clip, and then getting my little bended paper clip down in there to hook it around the clip and pull it out. Get your hands in there behind the door panel and give it a pull so that the plastic clips that hold it to the door release. And once you've got that done, you're going to need to lift the panel, get the door handle out, and then lift the panel up off of the sill. And once you've done that, this particular door panel has 1 switch, so it's got a little wire to it, and that is for the power door locks. Go ahead and disconnect that. On the inside of the door panel, you're going to find some clips. You're going to need to press those clips in order to remove the switch in the housing, and once you've pressed it in, give it a little push so it goes through, and then grab it from the outside. You'll notice a bunch of clips around the outer edge of that plastic cover that it's in. You need to pry those out, and once you get those out, the switch itself should come right off. Take the switch and seat it firmly in the casing there, and then go ahead and feed it from the outside of the door panel in and seat those clips inside there firmly. When reinstalling the door panel, make sure that you have your 7 plastic clips on the inside edge of the door panel, and those are going to go in the corresponding holes in the door itself. Reinstall the connector for the power door lock switch. Once you've got that done, you're going to want to hang the top of the door panel on the sill of the door. Make sure that it's seated correctly, and once you've done that, you can line up the holes and the plastic clips that are on the inside edge of that door panel, and then give it a couple taps around the entire edge or outer edge of that door panel to seat those clips. Reinstall the clip that we took out of the window crank handle. Slide it through the grooves and onto the handle. And once you've done that, you can reinstall it onto the post that comes through the door panel for the window regulator, and you're going to get your little plastic grommet and the black plastic grommet and put that first around the post and then slide your door handle, your window crank handle on. Give it a tap to seat it. You can go ahead and reinstall those 6 Phillips head screws. I will fast forward as I do that. Reinstall the plastic triangular cover that goes in the upper right hand corner there.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.